cutting grass. I got to trim now.
The monitoring area.
There's my mosquito plant. One rose. Let's go.
You have entered the monitoring area.
There's Al. I gotta do some gardening. I really do. I fertilized today. We put another hook up for a hose because that hose was just too long for just that one hook. So smelling all the fresh cut grass. This stuff over here is poison ivory. Yep. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. I wasn't looking at you guys. I was looking at the lambs and stuff. You got cleaned up pretty soon. Come on, Barkley. 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 I gave the wild animals some fresh water too. I seen a fox out here on the trail cam. I put a trail cam back here again. And it's not hot today, but it's been pretty hot and dry, so I figured wild animals probably want something to drink. Oh, Barkley peeing again. Empty that tank out, boy. While Mommy cutting grass, I'm helping with laundry and clean my bathroom early. Let's look at the pool here. The pool looks nice and clean on it. Yep, I'm about ready to get it. It's not that hot today though, surprisingly. Fertilize the strawberry. What do you see, girl? You see something? What do you see over there? Hold on, Barkley. What do you see over there? I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing. Meow, meow. Come on, let's go. Silly dog. Yeah, actually, it feels pretty nice outside today. My strawberries is just not doing well this year. Did last year. I gotta do a garden video too, because I got jalapenos popping up. Come on, Lucy. Mommy coming. Come on, Lucy. 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 Come on. Come on. Lucy. Come on. Come on. Get away from that mower. There's my flowers out here. I had to string them up. They keep wanting to flag out. Look like somebody stomped in the middle of them too. My blazing star flowers. Little by little, the blue climb all the way up. I want another hummingbird moth if I can catch one. Come on, Barkley. Come on, Barkley. Fountain's not running, no sun. And I need to put some water in it too. They're the Germanians. Those are so easy to grow. They was gonna die once. I repotted them. Start blooming again. Come on. Thanks to folks for walking with you. So thank you, folks. We appreciate it. We don't like the video, but we appreciate it. Thanks for watching, folks. Till next time.